In this video, I will show you how to integrate Google Analytics in your WordPress site. First, log in to analytics.google.com, log in with your Gmail account, and then click Setup for free. Under account name, put the account you want to give to your Analytics account. Here I'm putting, as an example, my Google Analytics. And then on the bottom of the page, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Next. Here it will prompt you to choose which type of analytics you want. For this example, I'm choosing web, and then click on Continue when you choose the type you want. Here you need to put your website name. It's called property name in Google Analytics. Under website name, put something that is related to your website. Then under website URL, if you have an HTTPS website, choose HTTPS or HTTP depending, and put exactly the name of your website that you use, the URL of your website that you use to go to your website. The industry category, select the category of your website. Then under reporting time zone, select your country and your time zone. And then click on Create. Analytics will take you directly to the tracking code that you should insert in your website. To insert the tracking code into your website, first you have to copy it, so select it, right-click and select Copy. Go to your WordPress dashboard, and then you have three options here to insert it. The first one is through Theme Editor, and then you edit your header.php file and you insert the code in it. But this is not a recommended option, because each time you are going to update your WordPress theme, the header.php file will be overwritten. So we are not going to use this option. This is the header file. I'm just going to show it to you, but please don't use it because it's not recommended. This is as a last resort. The other two options is, if your theme doesn't support a place to put a header code in it, go to Plugins and install a new plugin by selecting Add New and search for something called Insert Header. And install the plugin which is called Insert Headers and Footers. Click Install Now and then click on Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you will find it under Settings, Insert Headers and Footers. Click on it to adjust its settings, and you can insert and paste the tracking code here. So right-click and click Paste, and then you save it. And this way, you'll have your analytics tied to your WordPress site. Now, the third option, which is the case of my website, I have a theme that supports the adding of a header and footer and body code. I'm using the Divi theme. So you go to your theme properties, depends on the theme you are using. Theme options in Divi. And when you're in Divi theme options, go to integration, and under add code to the head of your blog, just right click here and paste your code. And then of course, click the save changes. Now let's go and test if the website is sending information to Google Analytics. To do this, in Google Analytics, under Reports, click Real Time and then click Overview. This will give you an overview site of the visitors on your website. We have 0 visitor now. Let's open a web browser and access the website to see if this number changes to 1. If it changes to 1, it means that we successfully integrated the Google Analytics code into our website. So I'm going to my website, and you'll see under Google Analytics directly in a matter of seconds, it will appear that I have a visitor. I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.